Look at my baby's calendar. Earth Day. Is it cute? My baby.
My teacher had finger painting.
Is that your finger?
Yeah.
Show it your face. Show it your face. Don't cover your face. That's your finger? That's the one you made today?
Yes.
Oh, that's so cute. You say thank you.
Thank you.